Welcome. How was your paper? Let's discuss the paper with answers. This is Set D, question 1, 2015, 70%. Question number 2, option C, 60%. Question number 3, will not change. The mean will not change. We have to remove the 20 and 60, two values, extreme values. Then we'll take the average. It will not change. Question number 4, how many players are playing on one game? Answer is 61. The detailed solution will be in the next videos. Question number 5, how many players play exactly two games? You have to solve this question by using the Venn diagram. The answer for question number 5 is D, 16. If I have got different answers, please comment in the comment section. Question number 6, full form of IRNET is Educational and Research Network. Question number 7, who helped the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in realizing the India's telecommunication policy? Option B, Sam Pitroda. They have helped the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 8, which among the following is basically an instant messenger? Option D, WhatsApp. If you feel the other answer, please comment. Question number 9, Sarthi is the web portal of? The correct answer is option C, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. So this Sarthi is the web portal which is developed for the road transport and highways. Question number 10, BYOD in the content of digital initiatives in higher education in India is bring your own device. So the new concept, bring your own device. Question number 11 is presence of E. coli in water is an indicator of dash dash contamination. Option A is correct answer. Page. The next question is during daytime noise pollution in residential area, it should not exceed option B 55 decibel. 55 is the correct answer, and during the night time it is 45. So ask for the daytime, so it is 55. Question number 13, to regulate and control the transboundary movement of hazardous waste is also known as Basel Convention. Question number 14, there are number of acts in India to prevent and control the pollution. So the comprehensive or umbrella act is the option C, Environment Protection Act. Question number 15, how many goals have been set for sustainable development? So Millennium Development Goals are 7 and the SDG are 17. So option B 17 is the correct answer for sustainable development by UN to achieve the social and economical development. Question number 16, which of the following universities was the center of military education during Vedic period? I have given the as Takshashila, but please comment if you have the confirmed answer. Next question is question number 17. Minimum period for PhD should be of 2 years. I think it is Radhakrishnan Commission. Again, please comment for the correct option. Question number 18. The teacher education is the technical education. Option C. The teacher education is technical education, as we are dealing with the higher educations. Question number 19. It is given the nomenclature of Education Department of India has been given as HRD. So the correct answer is 1985, but the given option is not there. So 1986 is the correct answer. And recently it is renamed again as HRD by the Prime Minister. 20. Which of the following institution is not the research not funding for research activities in higher education? I think it is NCT. It is for teacher education. Question number 21. Understanding level, memory, and 3 insight. So option C 1 and 3. So it does not involve the creativity. Question number 22. The most intellectual fertile period of human being period is the childhood. A option. Question number 23. Online discussion forum of SWAYAM is for clearing the doubts. Question number 24. History cannot be taught by using role play is the best option for teaching the history. So I think option A digital charts. 26. Most essential quality for a researcher is mastery over own subject. Question number 27. Recording of reflexive notes in qualitative research are the memoing. Option B memoing. So we have covered the 50% questions here. Please comment if you have doubt in any answer and please share the correct one with me. And for the remaining answers, stay tuned. Soon it will be uploaded. Thank you.